Hey everyone, how you going? Hope you're well. Welcome to another video. And yeah, I have a face covering on. Someone in my family got COVID. So now we're all self-isolating, which is not great, but also not terrible. But this video is actually about RØde. So RØde make this nice NT1A microphone. I bought one of these from a shop here in Sydney because I wanted to have better audio for everyone out there who's watching these videos. But unfortunately, somehow it got an insect inside of it and started making a noise a little bit like this. I'll show you. Like it was tickling the microphone from the inside. It drove me nuts, and so in my haste and my overconfidence with a screwdriver, I thought I'd open this microphone up, even though it was brand new, and get that little critter out of there so I wouldn't have to put up with that. Unfortunately, I don't know what I'm doing with a microphone of this manufacturer level, I don't know, and I broke it. So I wrote to RØde and asked, in humility, I have broken my microphone. Can I send it to you? Can you repair it? How much would that be? They wrote back, and the response puzzled and surprised me somewhat. They said, just ship it to us, we'll look after you. I kind of at first couldn't believe it, but I ended up shipping it to them. And about a couple of weeks later I got a box on my doorstep, and you're going to see my reaction as I unbox the repaired microphone, and my surprise and delight at how RØde sort of handled this whole situation. So this is kind of a good publicity video for them, because they really didn't have to do this, and I'm kind of hoping they do this for everybody, but this is my story and what happened to me. So enjoy my surprise and delight at getting this back so I can keep making videos, and also shout out to RØde, just because. Thanks guys. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to open the box and get this thing back into the mount over there and give it a quick test. So let's see what happens. So I'm going to take a look inside and see how they packed it. See how the unit looks. I am definitely not taking it apart again, that's for sure. Here goes. Okay, tons of packing peanuts. That's great. I really should have thought I hadn't got a bucket just in case this actually happens, so I might actually go and get one of those. Just gonna get rid of most of the packing peanuts. They don't go all over the floor. No way, they've given me another box. This is outstanding. Okay, let's get this out of the way. I was not expecting this, I just thought I'd get a generic box back. It's just like unboxing a brand new product. T1A, my gosh. She heavy. Look, it's even got like a freshness seal on it, a bit of tape there. This is nuts. This is like they just sent me a new one. Yeah, I was not expecting this. What the heck? I think that this looks like a new microphone. This is nuts. I have the distinct feeling that I don't deserve this. So obviously, as I've explained in the intro to this video, this kind of was my fault. Yeah, oh my gosh, this is an entirely new microphone. What the heck? At least I think it is, because it's... Thank you, RØde. There's another cable. I am so happy. There's another shock mount. What? This is like Christmas. This is nuts. Yep, so there's a pop filter in the shock mount. Another one. You can see I've already got one, so... Oh, wait. Oh no, here it is. That's the cable, this is the microphone. Sorry, I got those two boxes mixed up. Okay, cable, microphone. There's a sticker in here which I now very much identify with. And yes, I'm easily bought because this looks like a brand new mic. But yeah. Right now, I'm definitely feeling that. Well, if anything, this has taught me to be way more careful. Gosh, alright, well let's get this thing installed. Okay. Don't know, I guess, is this mine? Maybe it's not a brand new mic, but it looks like it, hey. I mean, I don't really care, I want a mic that works. So far, this is telling me this is all brand new kit, which is pretty impressive. I'll be able to tell maybe in a sec. Oh yeah, I think this is mine. I should have done that. I should have put my name on it. It's neat. QA. Alright, here goes nothing. I'm going to point you this way. And hopefully, because OBS is running, I'm going to be able to turn this on in a second. You should all be able to hear it. Okay. Yeah. Okay, cool. Alright, there she is. Okay, it's the moment of truth. So I'm just going to clear my tape a little bit. Yeah, this is so cool. I was not expecting this. This is like crazy. What are you doing, RØde? Like, this is way and above and beyond the Call of Duty. I was just expecting to get it repaired and sent back in a generic box. I was not expecting this. I'm sure plenty of people probably think this is a setup. Surely this is a setup. Okay, XLR cable is in. I'm gonna get some headphones. Dude, this is crazy. I can hear it. Hello, this is James. Wow, okay. Let's just see if you guys can hear it. So, yeah, pretty cool. So we got our microphone back. I mean, this is nuts. I have a whole nother shock mount, pop filter, and another 6 meter RØde XLR cable. That's not what I was expecting. I just thought I was going to get the mic back. Yeah, I don't really want to say, so I'm going to finish up here, and I'll leave future me to do the outro. But yeah, this is so cool. I really thought I was going to have to like cough up and pay for this, because this was so my fault that this happened. And I was not expecting RØde to be so generous. So yeah, I'm well impressed. This is nuts. This is really nuts. So there you have it. That was my experience and my story, which I think you'll agree was quite a positive one. As I said at the start of the video, RØde did not have to send me a complete kit. They could have just sent me the microphone repaired. So obviously very grateful to RØde for their generosity. However, I would like to hear from you in the comments. Do you have a RØde microphone or any other RØde gear yourself? What do you think of it? Is it any good? Does it have good points, bad points? I'd like to hear from you. Also, have you returned anything to RØde yourself? How did that go? I really want to hear from you guys, because I'm just one data point in the vastness of humanity. And I kind of want to get a rounded picture of what's going on out there. I mean, obviously, I am very grateful to RØde. So I have a big thumbs up for you, RØde. Thank you so much for getting me back in the game. I really appreciate it. Okay, that's about all I have time for, so thank you very much for watching. And I hope this video has helped in some way. I know it's mainly aimed at giving RØde some positive publicity, but I hope it's helped. I hope that you feel enriched in some way by it. And if you did, you can hit the like button or subscribe button right now. Other than that, that's all I have time for, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, bye!